subtraction property of equality, okay? Subtraction means we're going to be taking away. So for this example, I'm going to take away these x's. Instead of adding, I'm going to take this away. I'm going to take this one out. So I'm going to take 2 out. If I take 2 out on this side, I have to take 2 out on this side also. Okay? So let's see, what would the algebra look like? So we copy this over. And then we write down what we did. Take away is minus. And they were 2 x's. So that was 2x. And then I did the same thing on the other side. I did minus 2x. And so we write down in words, subtracted 2x from both sides. Okay, and we're going to move on to the next. Okay, on here, notice that, oh, give me a second. Let's simplify first. Hold on. Let me simplify first. I'm left 3x, and I took away 2x, so I'm left with 1x. And then I still have the 5 there. Nothing happened with those. And then I have my equal sign, and on the other side, I have the -7. Again, don't lose your negatives. Okay, and that is called simplify. Okay, that is the subtraction property of equality. Notice I am not done here because I still have all of these here, but we need, we could probably use the subtraction property of equality again. We could use an addition
It's
property.
4 o'clock.
We can use the addition property, but I just wanted to demonstrate what the subtraction property of equality looks like. We are not going to be finishing these problems. We're just demonstrating the properties. Okay? So you may need to use more properties to finish. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, notice here I have reds on this side and reds on this side. I only have 1x, so I'm not going to worry about those. That's all. What I want to do is I want to get rid of these. But since I have x's on both sides, I can just take these out. I can take 2 negatives here and 2 negatives over here. So what did I do? Well, what I did was take away. So that is subtraction. Subtraction, I subtracted -2 from both sides. Okay, be very careful here. Notice you have here subtraction and you have a negative. Okay, so let me copy this here. We'll copy that down. And we're going to do, first we're going to do this subtraction part on both sides. So that's subtract. And I'm going to put my subtract. And I subtracted a -2. I'm going to put that in parentheses just to make it clear. -2. And on the other side, -2. And then we simplify. If I have -2, which turns out to be equivalent to -2, and I take those away, I'm just going to be left with x. And then on the other side, I had 5 negatives and I took 2 away, So now I'm only left with 3 negatives. And that's it for that example.